Here I have Samsung Galaxy J6 and let me show you how to set up the fingerprint protection on the following device. At the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Here let's find and select settings. Choose here biometrics and security. Select here the fingerprint scanner right here. Tap continue. Before you add the fingerprint, you need to set up some backup method. It could be pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me use pattern. So let's draw the unlock pattern, tap continue and let's draw it again just for confirmation. And now you need to scan your fingerprint. So let's do it by using the back panel. Let me show you. Here you should find the fingerprint sensor. Let's just tap a couple of times on the sensor and now you need to do it a few times more just to save the whole fingerprint. Just simply start doing the following tapping in the most simple way. Tap continue. And it's almost done. Alright, fingerprint added. So now you can tap done, and as you can see, you can change some settings with the fingerprint, or you can just use the lock by pressing the power key. Now you can unlock your device by using the pattern, or you may accomplish unlocking by using the fingerprint. So let's just tap the fingerprint sensor and that's it. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.